Welcome back to Eco-Innovatech. Today we're diving into the top 5 emerging eco-friendly technologies of 2024. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a major challenge: access to clean water. Around the world, millions of people struggle daily to find enough clean water for drinking, cooking, and sanitation. In many regions, rivers and lakes are drying up and groundwater levels are plummeting. This scarcity is exacerbated by climate change, population growth, and pollution, making the quest for sustainable water solutions more urgent than ever. Solar-powered desalination is turning salt water into fresh, drinkable water using the power of the sun. This innovative technology harnesses solar energy to drive the desalination process, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. By utilizing abundant solar power, these systems can operate in remote areas where traditional energy sources are unavailable or too expensive. These plants heat seawater to create steam, which is then condensed back into fresh water. The process involves multiple stages of heating and cooling, ensuring that the resulting water is pure and safe for consumption. Advanced filtration systems remove any remaining impurities, providing a reliable source of clean water. It's a closed-loop system, incredibly efficient, and powered by renewable energy. This means that the entire process is self-sustaining, with minimal environmental impact. The use of renewable energy sources like solar power reduces the carbon footprint of desalination, making it a viable long-term solution for water scarcity. The implications are huge, especially for regions facing water stress. In areas where droughts are becoming more frequent and severe, solar-powered desalination can provide a lifeline. It offers a dependable source of water that can help communities survive and thrive despite challenging conditions. This technology can transform arid landscapes and provide safe drinking water for millions. By turning deserts into fertile lands and ensuring that people have access to clean water, we can improve health outcomes, boost agricultural productivity, and support economic development in some of the world's most vulnerable regions. As solar technology advances, we can expect more widespread adoption. Innovations in solar panel efficiency and energy storage are making it easier and more affordable to implement solar-powered desalination on a larger scale. This means that more communities around the world will be able to benefit from this sustainable water solution. Unlike traditional methods, this process is clean and sustainable. Conventional desalination often relies on fossil fuels and can be energy-intensive, but solar-powered systems offer a greener alternative. They align with global efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. Researchers are also working to minimize any potential impact on marine life. By developing technologies that reduce the intake of marine organisms and improve the disposal of brine, we can protect ocean ecosystems while still providing fresh water. We're addressing a critical global challenge with a sustainable solution. By investing in solar-powered desalination, we can ensure that future generations have access to the clean water they need to live healthy, prosperous lives. This is a step forward in creating a more sustainable and equitable world for all. From the ground, let's take to the skies with electric aviation. Electric aircraft promise zero emissions and a quieter, more comfortable flying experience. Companies are developing planes with impressive ranges and battery capacities. Major airlines are already placing orders, and governments are investing heavily. This is the future of air travel, and it's happening now. As technology matures, expect a significant shift towards cleaner skies. Electric aviation is not just a dream, it's the future. Buckle up, because the future of flight is electric. Biodegradable electronics, tackling the global e-waste crisis. We live in a world surrounded by electronics, from our smartphones and laptops to our household appliances and office equipment. But there's a dark side to this digital revolution: e-waste. Every year, millions of tons of discarded electronics end up in landfills, releasing harmful toxins into the environment. These toxins can contaminate soil and water, posing serious health risks to humans and wildlife. But what if our gadgets could decompose naturally, just like organic waste? Enter biodegradable electronics, a revolutionary concept that could change the way we think about our devices. Scientists around the world are developing components using plant-based plastics and organic polymers. These materials are designed to break down naturally over time, reducing the environmental impact of electronic waste. Unlike traditional plastics and metals, these innovative materials break down naturally, leaving no harmful residues behind. This means less pollution and a healthier planet for future generations. Researchers are making significant strides in creating durable, biodegradable electronics that can withstand everyday use. From circuit boards to casings, every component is being reimagined with sustainability in mind. Imagine a world where your smartphone lasts for years, and when it's time to upgrade, it decomposes naturally without harming the environment. This is the future that biodegradable electronics promise. By tackling e-waste at its source, this technology not only reduces the amount of harmful materials in our landfills, but also promotes a more sustainable approach to electronic design and manufacturing. Imagine a future where every electronic device is designed with the environment in mind, from the initial concept to the final product. This is the vision that drives the development of biodegradable electronics. Biodegradable electronics are not just a technological innovation, they are a game changer for the entire tech industry. By embracing sustainability, we can create a future where technology and nature coexist harmoniously. So enjoy your tech without compromising the health of our planet. With biodegradable electronics, we can have the best of both worlds, cutting-edge technology and a sustainable future. Vertical farming, cultivating the future of food. Imagine a world where our food is grown not in sprawling fields, but in towering structures right in the heart of our cities. As the global population grows, so does the demand for food. By 2050, the world population is expected to reach nearly 10 billion, putting immense pressure on our current agricultural systems. Vertical farming reimagines how and where we grow our food. Utilizing vertical space, these farms can be set up in urban areas, bringing food production closer to where people live. Skyscrapers transformed into lush green farms in urban centers. These vertical farms can be integrated into existing buildings, turning concrete jungles into green oases. No soil, no pesticides, just nutrient-rich water and LED light. Hydroponic systems allow plants to grow faster and healthier, using up to 90% less water than traditional farming. Vertical farming significantly reduces water usage and waste. By recycling water and nutrients, these systems are incredibly efficient and environmentally friendly. It also reduces the distance food travels, ensuring fresher produce. Locally grown food means fewer food miles, reducing carbon emissions and supporting local economies. This method enhances the nutritional value of our food. Freshly harvested greens retain more vitamins and minerals, providing healthier options for consumers. Advancements in LED technology and renewable energy make it efficient. These innovations reduce energy consumption and make vertical farming more sustainable. Vertical farming is a sustainable, local, and efficient way to produce food. It addresses many of the challenges faced by traditional agriculture, such as land scarcity and climate change. It's a glimpse into the future of food, nourishing our growing planet. As we look ahead, vertical farming offers a promising solution to feed the world sustainably and efficiently. Hydrogen fuel cells, powering the future with clean energy. Hydrogen fuel cells are rapidly advancing as a clean energy source. Cars, buses, and homes powered by hydrogen emit only water vapor. Hydrogen gas reacts with oxygen in the fuel cell, generating electricity. The byproduct is water, making it incredibly clean. Hydrogen can be produced from renewable sources like solar and wind. This creates a closed-loop system, generating clean energy. Hydrogen fuel cells offer a promising solution for various applications. Imagine a future with silent, hydrogen-powered cars and homes. Governments and companies are investing heavily in this technology. It's a fundamental shift towards a cleaner, more sustainable future. The future is now. Embracing eco-innovation, from water access to transportation and agriculture, these innovations are creating a new playing field. Embrace these technologies, support their development, and demand a sustainable future.